Hello and good morning, everyone. Today is August 25th, 2021, and I'm coming to you with an update for MyTronBank. We last did an update for MyTronBank on August 10th, I believe. And so just to give you a recap of what they offer is their platform conditions are as follows: minimum deposit 100 TRX, maximum deposit 4 million TRX, and that's just per transaction. So you could probably do unlimited deposits, but only the maximum in any one deposit is 4 million. 200% return on investment, and they have a basic reward of 0.5% every 24 hours, and then a personal hold bonus of 0.1% every 24 hours. They have a leader bonus and a community bonus that won't be activated unless there's 1 billion distributed in referral rewards. And for the community bonus, there has to be 10 million active users for that to kick in. And then for the contract amount bonus, this is for every 1 billion TRX that's on the smart contract balance. This smart contract is audited by Audit Plus. They're at auditplus.org. So if you want to know more information about that, you can just go directly to their page. And as we've said before, they have 11 levels of referrals, starting at 7%, going all the way down to 0.1%. So that's a good way to speed up your recoupment of your initial investment, is by referring other people. And let's see how our contract is doing. First, let's just go and check the contract on tronscan to see if it's healthy or not. So right now there's 4,718 TRX and only 400.115 US dollars left in the account. So this one is going out pretty fast. And if you are in this one right now, you should probably, if you can withdraw, you probably should. Right now I have 25.1066 and counting available for withdrawal. If you've been following TRX online and seeing what the value is, so this would actually equate to, so I think it's at about 8 cents. So this would be $2. So we're gonna withdraw our $2 and see if that works. Receive. Yep, so we received that. And just to give a recap of what our total earnings have been to date, we deposited initially 100 TRX. We earned 114 TRX through referrals, and the total withdrawn is 139 TRX. So because we've looked at the contract on tronscan, we probably will not be reinvesting unless they have some active marketing push or some other system to back up their liquidity pool or something. But this one, it started out pretty good. It's just been going kind of steady, but without the backing of the community, can't get very far. And so as people are earning and they're looking at the balance every day, they're checking to see if they should stay in it or reinvest. And how it's looking right now is that it might be a good time to pull out, even if you have only $2 in the system, because that $2 is yours. So I'm not going to put a referral link on this video because I don't want anyone to jump in there unless they actually want to. If you do want to, you can follow MyTronBank on the Telegram channel, and they will be happy to give you a link if you think you want to go ahead and jump in there. I'm going to not jump back in myself, and that's just my own personal journey. So what we'll do is just move on to some other contracts that we've been involved in. As I always say, happy investing, safe investing. We'll see you in a few moments with another update video for another smart contract. But for right now, MyTronBank it's a wrap for us for this. Thank you. See you next time.